In this video, we'll learn how to create a notice of disability work status in PinkyBill. 1. Access the patient's visits. Click on the Patients tab from the main menu. Open the desired patient. Navigate to the Visits tab. 2. Open the work status form. Click on the settings icon of the visit for which you want to create an work status report. Select work status from the list of available forms. 3. Fill in the work status details. The form will open with patient and provider details already filled in. Disability type and dates. Select whether the patient is temporarily or totally disabled, partially disabled, permanent and stationary, or returning to full duty. Enter the applicable start and end dates. Work restrictions. If partially disabled, specify restrictions such as weight limits, prohibited movements, maximum standing, walking, sitting durations, or other limitations. Additional notes. Use the Other field to list any special instructions or considerations. The file name is automatically generated by PinkyBill. If needed, you can rename it before saving. You can review the report by downloading it from here. Save and store the Notice of Disability work status. Click Save as Patient Docs. The work status will be stored under the Files tab in the Medical Reports folder. Your work status has now been successfully created. You can click on it to open and review the document. Editing a Notice of Disability work status report. Click the Download button to download it as a Word file. Make your edits, then upload the updated file back into the patient's medical reports folder.
PinkyBill.